Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Happy Halloween. Today, we are going to be doing this rhinestone makeup look. You guys, I have been wanting to do this forever, but I had to wait for my rhinestones to get here in the mail. So, I have to say that this is by far my favorite Halloween look that I have done so far. So if you do not have a wax pen, I'm showing you guys how I made mine. You're going to want a wax pen if you are applying these small rhinestones because it's going to be nearly impossible for you to do it without this. So what you want to do is get a candle. I'm using my Bath and Body Works candle because that's the candles I have around my house. So you just want to light that candle up and wait for the wax to melt a little bit. And then take the end of a makeup brush, a pencil, whatever you have, and dip it into the wax. And then once that wax dries, form it a little bit and then push it down, and then you can use that to pick up the rhinestones. If you want to go and buy one, I will tag and link all of the products I'm using. You can get some off of Amazon that are really cheap, but I forgot. So I'm just showing you how to do it. I'm also going to tell you guys some tips and tricks on applying rhinestones and making Halloween looks. I've learned a lot since doing this look. So number one, if you do not have enough time to finish your look, then don't even start. This look took me about 4.5 hours to do, and I didn't even do my whole full face. So if you don't think you're going to have enough time, then don't even start it, because you don't want to start it, get halfway through it or whatever, and then have to take it off. So, because it takes a lot of work, and you don't want to just ruin your project because you don't have enough time. So make sure you have enough time before you even start. Number two, make sure you have enough eyelash glue. I'm using eyelash glue from the brand Kiss. Again, I will tag everything that I'm using. I thought I had a new bottle and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm actually using a bottle that was not brand new, and I started really struggling trying to get some of the product out. So I would recommend just having 2 bottles brand new on hand before you even start. I got my rhinestones from Amazon, and I am using the size 10. There's a lot of different sizes on Amazon. You can pick whatever size you want. I was going to have the rhinestones be a little bit bigger because I wanted to not have it take me all day to do, but I'm really excited that I went with the size 10. They are a lot smaller, but I feel like the look turned out way better with them being smaller rhinestones. But you can choose whatever ones you want. I'm just letting you guys know I'm using the size 10. Before you apply your rhinestones, you're going to want to go and put a cream face paint down first. So this is going to just help you sketch out where you want to put your different colored rhinestones, and it's also going to help as to fill in the gaps to where you did not have the rhinestones, if that makes sense. So you want to put the rhinestones right next to each other, but there's always going to be a little bit of a gap. So you want it to be the color of the rhinestones that you are using. So I'm using silver, black, and red rhinestones. So that is why I put them colors down first. The base makeup I know is white, but it all worked out great. But then it just fills in any little gaps, and it works a lot better than just putting it right on your bare skin, because you don't want your skin seeing through the rhinestones. You get what I'm saying? When you are doing your eyebrows, I would suggest going in with some glue stick over your eyelids. So you want to do this a couple times. I would say like 3 to 4 times. I only did it once and I still got the eyelash glue in my eyebrows. I did go in with a Neutrogena cleansing balm and it did come out relatively easy, but to just eliminate any of that issues, go in with a glue stick like 3 to 4 times and then set it with a powder and then go in with the cream base and then put the rhinestones over the top, and then you won't have a problem with the glue or with the eyelash glue sticking to your eyebrows. Do not put the eyelash glue too close to your baby hairs. If you do that, you're going to have issues with trying to get the eyelash glue out. I know with my hair, since I have bleached it so much, that if I got the eyelash glue in there, it would probably pull out if I was trying to remove it. So just stay back from your hairline. When you're doing your nose or your eyes or any like sensitive areas that you really are scared to put rhinestones, that is where the cream base really comes in. So I am not putting any rhinestones in my nostrils, but you will see that I do go in with some red face paint. That is why the face paint is really important, because it just fills in them gaps so it doesn't show your skin. And I mean, you don't want to put rhinestones up your nostrils, but you also want to make the look come together, so that is where the face paint comes in. Also with your waterline, you're not going to want to put rhinestones on your waterline, so if you just go in with like a black or any colored eyeliner, you can just put that in your waterline and you won't even be able to tell that there's no rhinestones. Make sure you do your eyes and your lips last. When I put the rhinestones on my eyelids, I did not know that it was going to weigh my eyes down so much. So make sure you do that last, because it does take time to get used to. And yeah, and then obviously do your lips last, because you don't want to do your lips first and then you can't eat or drink anything after you do your lips. When removing the rhinestones, I've seen a lot of people use a liquid latex, but as you guys know, the last time I put liquid latex on my face, it burned my face. So I chose not to do the liquid latex removal process, but you guys can if you want to. All you do is you apply it to your face, wait for it to dry, and then peel it off. What I did is I went in with a cleansing balm from Neutrogena, and then I just rubbed that on, and then I use my nails to kind of scrape it all off. I do have a removal process over on my TikTok, so if you guys want to go see how I removed all of these rhinestones, make sure you go follow me on TikTok. The link will be in the description bar down below. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys all have a great night. Be safe out there, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Email me. I will be happy to answer anything that you need help with. Okay, bye.